Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, connection to the content distribution network failed with the error code GUL code 35, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Fortnite easily. So first off, you're going to close out your Fortnite, and once you're done closing the game, now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections, and then you're going to go on to your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN here. So just click onto your network connection, right click on it, click properties, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties again, click use the following DNS server addresses, write in the preferred DNS here, 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS, you're going to write 8.8.4.4, click OK then. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down on here and then just make sure to disable or untick Internet Protocol version 6. Don't worry, this is safe. Just disable it and then click OK. After that, you're going to disable your network connection and you're going to wait for 15 to 20 seconds. And once that's done, now you're going to open it up and then wait for it to connect. And when it's connected, now you can go ahead and play Fortnite and you'll see that your game will now work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.